It's no exaggeration to say that data is now a commodity, just like electricity, gas, and water. Just like these utilities, which are stored and then delivered through pipes or cables, data is stored in containers or data centers and delivered via cable or over the air. Data must be available at all times, like the utilities that turn on our lights, heat our food, and fill our baths. It may be that users don't care where data comes from or how it's stored, but they certainly notice when it isn't there. What's more, it's not just the most obvious data that must be available at all times. There is plenty of other data that may be required at some future date that suddenly becomes highly valuable at that point. If your industry regulator asks to see a file from any point in time and you fail to produce it within a given time frame, your organization could be subject to financial penalties and risk reputation damage. In our new world of always-on business, considering disaster recovery and business continuity as standalone activities is outdated. Data is essential to the 24/7 running of our organizations, just like power, heating, and water. Data availability is now so critical to operational efficiency, employee satisfaction, and financial success that any major downtime is almost inconceivable. Organizations must think of how to ensure that access to data just works. The way to do this is to build data availability into any IT infrastructure project and monitor it continuously. In particular, new data storage projects should incorporate data recovery and availability failsafes right from the start. Using modular and standardized data storage architecture is the key to giving your users the level of data availability they have come to expect. Isn't it time we just tried to make sure everything worked? Just like in other utilities.